See the laws of exponents in multiplication of algebraic expression. Listen, x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Listen students, here given two terms, x power m and x power n. Okay, here x is the index or base and m is the exponents or power. Okay, so the base are same means we can add the powers. The base are same. The given terms of base same means we can add the powers. So here x power m and x power n. So the base are equal. So x power m plus n. Now we see the one example in given law. Listen, x cube into x square. Okay, so this is the base x cube x square. So base is equal. So we can add the powers. So x power 3 plus 2 x power 5. The another example, x power 4 into x power minus 2. So the base are same, so we can add the power. So x is equal x power 4 plus of minus 2. So here listen, plus into minus. So as a unlike. So unlike sign we get negative. So 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is equal to x power 2. So x squared. So x power 4 into x power minus 2 is equal to x squared. Listen, what is a like sign or an unlike sign? Like sign means plus into plus, plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus. So like signs are positive. Like signs are positive. Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus. Okay. So like signs are positive. Then unlike sign. Plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. So it's unlike signs are negative. Okay, are you understand? Now we see the exercise 3.1. Second sum, find the product of the terms. So listen, minus 2mn, 2m the whole square, minus 3mn. Listen students, minus 2m the whole square. So 2m the whole square means we get 2 square into m square. So 2 square means 4. M square, m into m square. So 2m the whole square we get 4m square. First we write the multiple in 3 terms. So minus 2mn into 4m square into minus 3mn. Listen, in multiplication of algebraic expressions, we follow the 3 steps. First step, multiply the sign of terms. So listen, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So minus into plus we get minus. Then minus into minus we get plus. So first plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into minus, plus. Then we multiply the corresponding coefficient of terms. So coefficient means m1 coefficient minus 2, m square coefficient 4, then m1 coefficient minus 3. So 2 into 4, 8, 8 3s are 24. Then we multiply the variable factors by using laws of exponents. So listen students, here first base m. Okay, m power what? 1. Then second term have m power 2. Then third term have m power 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1. Then the second base is n. Here first term n power have 1. The second term does not have. Third term 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So 24 m power 4 n power 2. This is a solution. Then second sum, 3x squared y minus 3xy cube x squared y squared. First term 3x squared y, second term minus 3xy cube, third term x squared y squared. Listen, first we write the multiplication in 3 terms. 3x squared y into minus 3xy cube into x squared y squared means 1x squared y squared. Okay, so first we multiply the sign of terms. So plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus. Then second step, we multiply the coefficient of the terms. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 1 9. Then first you take a x base. So x first term have 2. First term in first term x have 2. X have the power 2. Then second term 1 and third term 2. So 2 plus 1 plus 2. Then second base y. So first term have y power 1 and second term 3 and third term 2. So 1 plus 3 plus 2. Listen. So my is equal to minus 9 x power 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. Then y power 6. 1 plus 3 4, 4 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6. So minus 9 x power 5 y 6. Are you understand? First we multiply the sign of terms. Then second one corresponding coefficient of terms. Second one multiply the corresponding coefficient of term. Third one multiply the variable factors by using laws of exponents. So okay. Then third sum. Listen students. Third sum. If L is equal to 4pq square, B is equal to minus 3p square cube, and H is equal to 2pq cube. 2pq cube. Then L into B into H we find out. We find out L into B into H. Okay. So listen. So L into B into H. L value is 4pq square and B value is minus 3p square cube. H value is 2pq cube. Okay. So first we multiply the sign of terms. Plus into minus, minus into plus, minus. Okay. Then we multiply the coefficient of terms. 4 3 2. 4 into 3 12, 12 into 2 24. Then pq is a variable of these terms. So p power first term have 1. So L have p power 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then q have 2 1 3. So we add the powers. Minus 24 p power 6 and q power 6. So LPH value is minus 24 p6 q6.